कोशिश यही होती है कि हर मैच में अच्छा परफॉर्म किया जाए और बिल्कुल टीम डिमांड है, टीम की डिमांड होती है कि मैं परफॉर्म करके दूं और उनको मैच जिता के दूं।
This time is Babar, smashes it and gets to 50. That's a terrific innings from the Pakistan captain.
I think he's a very hard-working chap. I think he's very spiritual too. You know, he thinks out of the box all the time. Very consistent in everything, in practice or in mood or thinking or whatever. You know, he's very consistent. His work ethics are absolutely fabulous. You know.
कप्तान का यही होता है कि आपने अपनी टीम को कॉन्फिडेंस देना है और उसमें उनमें बिलीव रखना है कि आप कर सकते हैं और अच्छी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस लेनी होती हैं। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैन मैनेजमेंट जो होती है वो आपने उस प्लेयरों के साथ करनी है, किस टाइम उनसे क्या काम लेना है, तो वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली।
I think Babar's grown into a very mature leader, still fairly young. To be that mature, I think I highly admire his maturity. He's very firm on standards. He's very demanding of the team when it comes to being the best in the world. He finds himself being one of the best players in the world, and that's what he wants his team to be as well, and that's what I admire of Babar.
Oh, gone, surely gone, yes! First blood, Pakistan! What a beauty, full and straight!
देखिए जैसे बाबर ने माशाल्लाह रन्स तो वो करता रहता है और बेस्ट प्लेयर है वर्ल्ड का, और उसके साथ उसकी कप्तानी है। आई थिंक उसको वो चीज़ बहुत हेल्प कर रही है और लड़के जैसे उसके साथ है, तो बाबर नो डाउट इज़ नंबर 1।
He loves his game. He loves his batting. He loves cricket, and above all, you know, he's very passionate. You know, to do something special for Pakistan.
ऑफ कोर्स एज अ बैट्समैन आप हर टाइम कोशिश यही होती है कि परफॉर्म किया जाए और परफॉर्म वो किया जाए जो पाकिस्तान के लिए बेस्ट चीज़ हो और पाकिस्तान को ना मैच जिताया जाए।
Lovely touch shot. It's almost as if he wastes no energy.
Over the top, classy boundary.
He's very classical sort of, you know, in the artist, you know, and the way he look at the ball, the way he's on his feet, balance and all, you know, that is very inspirational. And you know, me, Hairoz and Yusuf have been watching him in the nets, and the both of them obviously they are the legend of the game, especially in batting, you know, the way they actually praise him in front of me, you know, that really, you know, my goosebumps, you know, watching him in the nets, you know, it looks so beautiful.
जब आपका नाम लिया जाता है और आपको ग्रेट और जो आपके टॉप प्लेयर्स हैं उनमें आपका नाम लिया जाता है तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है।
I think it's just a joy to watch him every day, how he trains, how he performs on the pitch, and I think he's going to end up as Pakistan's greatest batsman.